You can learn about visual fractions as you learn to draw people. Now, fractions aren't just numbers in a math class. I use them to draw things. I divide up the thing I want to draw into parts. I compare the parts to each other so I can draw the whole thing correctly. Now, here's a picture of a face. Her head is oval, and she has features. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Now, this grid divides her head into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2 down, that's 2 out of 4, 2/4. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 4 is 2. So that means 1/2. 1/2 way down is where the eyes go. Most people think they're higher than half, but I think they're halfway down, don't you? Now, what's down here at the 3/4 line? The top of the mouth. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4, 3/4. There's where the top of the mouth goes. These are the typical proportions of the face. And the ears, the top of the ear lines up with the eye. The bottom lines up with the top of the mouth. So it looks like the bottom of the ear is what fraction down? 3/4, right. Now here's a picture of my brother. Well, he's not really my brother, he's really my half-brother. Let's take a look at his head. Yep, there's his head. Let's see how many heads will fit into the height of his body. We'll use the head as the unit in our fraction. Boing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means his head is what fraction the height of his body? 1/6. Halfway down, that's where the hips are, halfway down. Now, here's a picture of a guy with non-typical proportions. Let's check out his head. 2. 2 pieces out of 6. That means the fraction for his head is 2/6, otherwise known as 1/3. Ooh, his waist is real low, too. What a crazy looking guy. When you do cartoons, you can change the typical proportions, but you should think about them. When you do a realistic picture, you should think about how they are in the typical arrangement. Now, I'm 7 heads high. I'm not bragging. It's just that different people have different proportions. Now, proportions are how one part of something relates to the other part of something. Now, if I'm 7 heads high, what fraction relates to the height of my head to my body? 1/7.